Wagwan people, I'm Akeem Boothe, Moments by Boothe on all social media platforms, and welcome to another Moments by Boothe vlog. So today, we'll be heading to Mountain Spring to burn some calories. Yesterday was my mother's birthday, and let's just say I had way too much junk food to eat. So I'm trying to go up to the hill, burn some calories, get into a nice little groove for this Saturday morning. After which I'll probably go to the gym with my virgin Raman to do some shoulders and chests and biceps and triceps. Yes, but anyway, after which I'll probably go karting with some of my friends. So enough for the chattings. I know I'm ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. Road. I was actually supposed to pick up my friend Hallie, but based on the fact that I have two other things doing after this, I told her to drive instead. So I'm gonna meet her halfway, and then the two of we drive together to go to Mountain Spring. But if it's your second or more time watching any of these videos, that means you clearly like the content. So I would very much like you to consider subscribing, liking this video, and even sharing this video with a friend. Is it? So yeah, but we're still on the road, about 10 minutes from where I'm meeting up with Hallie. So I guess I'll check in back with you guys when I get to where Hallie is. Alright, out. So I just picked up Hallie, quote unquote pick up. She's actually driving behind me. Why is she calling? Hold on. You?
You good?
Yeah. What? Alright. She knows. She knows. Literally everybody I pass upon the highway. Every time I go 80, I pull away from her. So I'm literally going 60 right now. Well, not even 60. 55. Yeah, but everybody have passed me. But you know, take my time. Wait for my friend. Where'd you see this? She gonna kill me. But yeah, so I guess I'll check back in when we get to Mountain Spring. Deuces. So quite literally, we're like 2 minutes away from Mountain Spring, and the clouds just open up and decide say, rain one for fall. What is this? Oh, this not stop me now. It not stop me. I go up the same way. Rain or shine. May I run up this hill today. Trust me. Fake smile at her. She doesn't like people very much. Yeah, I'm surprised that she like me. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there.
Alright, with 1, 2. Alright.
Oh, there. Can you believe this? Me, 190 pounds. And poor Hallie carrying on her back. Legs. See them tired, eh? You mean? Yeah. So I just got finished with my run. It was very good, I must say. I I feel refreshed and energized and ready to hit the road to go do whatever else that I have to do. Virgin Damo just think me some to come pick him up for us to go karting. So I get the one did. Oh boy. For me to pick him up, for us to go karting with some of our other friends. But I forgot to bring some stuff that I wanted to bring to go karting. So I'm gonna have to head back home and then pick him up after. So Holly gonna left me. But Holly did well. I remember the first time I went to the hill with Holly, and she has struggled to go up the little hill. But we actually went up, and if you know Mountain Spring, you know the last part of the hill, you do you can sprint up it. So we did 3 sprints up that. So it was a nice little morning exercise. Right now I'm looking lean and mean, you know. This is one of the reasons why I like working out first thing in the morning. You see, pro tip for when you want to make videos of yourself or take pictures. You record those videos or you take those pictures first thing in the morning. That's when you look your leanest and meanest, you know. And then after I do a couple push-ups and I get a little blood pumping and something like. I recorded one video for Instagram a while ago, and I tell you, I look like a monster. What a good monster. So yeah, right now I'm kind of hungry still, so I need to get some food before I go karting. I've been fiending for some cheese patties, I must say. I'm always feeling for cheese patties on a Saturday still after I go run. That's one of the main reasons why I go running, so I can enjoy one 2 cheese patty and not feel guilty, you know. So that's really the plan right now. Go get the cheese patty them, go home, grab a quick shower, lift up back, pick up Damo, gotta go karting place. So I guess I'm going to the gym, get knocked for now. Sir. Yeah, so I'll check back in at some point. Out. I was wondering what was making that noise. Seatbelt. Safety first, guys. So yeah, heading to the go-kart place in Portmore right now. Rocket Cart. Yeah, Rocket Cart. Oh, about to go have some fun. I haven't been there in a while, maybe about 2 years. Yeah, so let's see. And the last time I went there, 2 years, maybe 3 years, because the last time I went there I wasn't driving. So, but now that I am, I want to see how much faster I can go. I know the time I did last time was. So I want to see how much faster I can complete the course. So let's see. I'll check back in when I get there, or if I want to chat about something else, so I'm gonna on the road. But out. So I made it. I guess them boys there. Well, I'm gonna see them so them to reach it. I'll probably call them after I finish making this video. So we're here at Rocket Cart. Yeah, place looks different than the last time I came. I almost got lost because I thought I was looking for a left turn when it was actually a right turn. So if it wasn't for the logo is easily identifiable because it's neon. So I saw it on one of the signs. I'm saying, alright, I must run at some go. And I drove around here and that place. So big up to the logo, you know, it's eye catching. Nick, big up. go-karting thing is amazing. Man, mad fun. Even though I'm the sore loser, unfortunately. But I still had fun though. As per usual, anything driving, Dom is the one. He's normally the fastest. Yeah, so now I am starving. I can tell you that much. So, blacking out here in the streets. So about to head to Mega Fatties. If you know Fatties, you know Fatties. If you don't know Fatties, you just don't know Fatties. Run down Fatties and now we'll get some jerk chicken and just easy back. Probably linking up with those guys again tomorrow for Lord knows what. We'll see. If not, then I guess I'll see them next week. So I guess me check in. I'll check in when I get to Fatties or after I leave Fatties. Sauce, extra sauce. Make move. Oh.
Your turn. Turn her.
Have weight. Yeah. And then
Just roll out.
brother. That bitch is high.
Yeah.
fun day out. I can't say that much.
Yeah, that's also fun day, bro. Fun day, bro.
Fun day.
Different weather. Not much crowd. Just the family and the friends.
Family and friends. That's it. With all of that said, AB signing out.